All right, we're going to get Android Auto working on here. All right, so the first thing you're going to need to do is park your vehicle somewhere where you've got a Wi-Fi signal. And if you don't know how to do that, then you go to here, you find network and internet, and you connect to the Wi-Fi signal. You can see here I'm connected, so we'll go back. And once you're connected to the Wi-Fi signal, you go to the main screen and it's already pre-programmed. It's very, very easy. You go over to here. Sorry, wrong button there. You go over to here where it says apps. You click apps. And this is the screen it'll take you to. You just swipe over until you see this one. It's a picture of a box. And it's called APK Installer. You want to touch that. Once that's open, there's 3 things on the side: exit, manage, and install. You hit install. And this I've tried all 3, and it's based on the kind of dongle you have. So I have the newest dongle and I tried all 3, and this one here, ePlay, the one in the middle, was the one that worked for me. So most likely that's the one for you, so we'll touch that one. And then it'll bring you to this screen, and then from there, just on this bottom corner, you're going to hit install, and it's going to install it. All right, so to confirm that on the main head unit you've got the app installed, you go to apps, and if you see this green sort of box where it says ePlay, give it a click, and if it takes you to this screen, you've got the app installed on your head unit, and while it's installing on the phone, we'll just test it out. All right, next we're going to the Play Store on our phone, and up in here we're going to write Android Auto, and you'll see this one with kind of a bluish triangle. We'll click that, and I've got it here, so you'll click install and it will install on your phone, and I'll meet you back. All right, so one thing to note here is this writing on the bottom will change as you insert it. So right now it says please insert the box into the USB, so we'll go ahead and do that right now, right here like so. And as soon as we make this connection, that writing will change. Now it'll say please use the USB cable to connect the phone to the port of the box. So we've got our charger from our phone, and we're going to put it in this side of the box. And notice, if we're not clipped in all the way, this writing won't change. So we got to make sure that we're really good and strong connection there. And then once that connection is made, this writing... Okay, Android Auto is now installed on the phone. So we're just going to take it and connect it good on the bottom. And then we'll see on our main screen there that it's making the connecting sign. So we've got all these beautiful options, and I'm usually listening to Spotify as I'm driving, and I like to listen to podcasts. So all you got to do is find one, click it here, and it will start to play it on your car.
The Joe Rogan Experience.